What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So, me have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. I'm a people. Why me? I tell you, Ivany, I give Akeem advice. Advice run still, and a long time. Ivany been telling him that. You saw me I say, but I guess him never hear or him never did one. You know what I mean? Do what Ivany say. You saw me I say. Also, Ivany, I tell Rosalie what she should work pan. Me know say it's not in a good way still. Although me don't know, you see me? But we are got here with Ivany officer. We have Rosalie and Triple. You know what I mean? I talk about bad sicky and in parliament where my run. Rebel must see a campaign for minister entertainment. You see me? Anytime I get that footage, I make you know. Me share it with you know. Seeing also my people. We have SHEBADA talk about the whole Rosalie and AKEEM situation. You see me I say? Also we have Annie, you know what I mean? I talk about where Jabas do her in the sense of selling her a car for how much money where she knows she never good and rare. You see me I say? We have a bunch of things people. We don't know how me left out. We also have the Lion Man birthday, but more I know this. How him know see him birthday? How him know when I'm birthday? And that me want to know. How him know? Him not supposed to have the birthday. I joke me man. I guess maybe the homes where him did there, you know what I mean, them just give him a birthday. You see me I say? So, me don't know how me left out. Anything me left out in the intro, I go in the video. So, we could get in there, people.
Birthday to you. Yes.
So I cut the cake now, you see what I say? Well, lighter. Not the lighter, it's fog. Jimbo fog.
See that.
Nice. Alright. So you gotta put the ass up. You gotta big up God first, then team back, and then the rest.
Big up Father God. Big up Chrissy. Big up all of my friends them. Big up Putoffs. That's it. Eh? You good? Big up Slime.
Alright. After 3. 1, 2, 3. I cut the cake with me there. Where you go? You cut it and make sure so. Big. So you get the first. Big no? Cut it. Alright. Come on the cake. Come on with it. Go on with it now. Put it in the room. Go in the room now.
What dry? The chicken. Mayot. Something wrong with the mayot? What chicken there? You take over that chicken them? How many amount? How many amount the mayot? Yo! Oh God. Nah lie, team back, but nah lie. On our best birthday this so far. Tell you that. Peter get big up for himself. Happy birthday to your son. Chat on a big up Peter.
Big up Peter again.
Come on, big up. Big up John Rock, big up Dennis, big up Jigo, big up Lamar, big up Father Mix. Who else?
God.
Big up Father God. Big up Miss Triple, big up Tajay, big up Blue Jay, big up Gold Digger, big up Wood Gal, big up Tajay, big up Daily, big up D, big up World Dog, big up Jabas, big up Rosalie, big up Dennis, big up Ola Team Big, big up Annie. I get some water there. So that chicken man.
Like more to eat inside.
Big up John Rock.
Fresh should I get some now? Fresh should I get some? Yo,
Carba press.
should I get some now?
Call him back on. Call him back. Him just,
Actually,
no man, he just feel away call you left him. See what I say?
actually I'm calling back.
So, if you call him back though,
No.
you know the back here. I just come up.
No, fresh up pussy. No.
So man, just call him and reason with him, man.
Belly full now? Huh?
Belly full?
One chicken meat, man. I swear. I want meat, I swear to you.
I don't want to eat, bro.
I swear to God.
I don't want to eat, bro.
I want meat, I swear to you.
I don't want chicken.
I want chicken meat.
You don't eat one chicken.
I'll take
I
that.
don't want chicken. I eat. Give me the careful of one chicken. I'll allow you to.
I want it, better. I want to too.
I mean, you want those? Yeah, call the girl, you know.
Yeah, dog. I'm on the bike.
Two man no fear cut no cake we burn off that, you know what I mean? But happy earth strong to the G, you see me? But people more know how him know when I'm birthday. Or if this a one birthday with them give. And if this a one birthday with them give, you know feel same but I want to know him right birthday. Tell me what you think in the comment section. We're gonna watch some more.
John Rock, who's that girl? Dennis. Chrissy, friend y'all. cake cook. It cut, darling. I come late.
Yeah, we call the girl them.
On a Sunday.
She answer.
Thank you for calling emergency services for fire and ambulance. If you require the assistance of the police, please press 1. For fire, press 2. Please hold on while I get someone to assist you.
Hold on. Police are called.
We get born hard, you know?
Eh?
Get born hard, you know?
What do you mean we?
You get it too.
You alone get born?
You might get it too.
Well, me get born or no?
You know?
Me don't know. And you don't know.
See you never ball one time or something?
Never. You never see me ball yet. You ball.
No ball.
First now it's like one.
Work out first.
Oh.
I seriously, me a date, you know? Alive, me a date, you know?
Oh. Man, this be dog.
Music.
Can't sleep.
Alright still. It's alright. Cause sometimes you see wickedness what you do to people, it will come back around upon you, you know. Believe that's here. You see, anytime you shake up people and they not deserve for you shake them up or do them things, eh? Watch and see if the cycle now go come back around upon you. Just remember me and I tell you that. Here? Always you go laugh, you know. You go laugh and feel say you get through, but remember me tell you, karma is a bitch. Remember that here. Yeah man, karma is a bitch man. But they saw this spoiler go and somebody this tell me something. When the man tell me, I have to ask the man again if I real something him this say. The man say yes, a long time I did want to say it to you, but me no want no problem. Girl, people are wicked. Remember me tell her that so when them feel like you're nice, they will try to step on you like it's a look of push over and them just style you and smiling in your face. And you know one of the things, a person will smiling in your face and tell us that they rate you every day and tell us that they love you. You understand me? And then them face them a look on you and a dig out your eye. And one of the most evilest people them there. Yeah, me I tell you, you can't ever buck up on. Yeah man, Karen, may you go talk today? Oh man, me I go take it easy man. Me I go take my licks them and go on. I saw me stay now. Me I go take my licks them and go on. Everything where happen, me I go just take it and go on with it. That's okay. Come I go find them backside. Remember me tell her that. No, say something wrong, you know. Me see it for a long time, you know, but so when the man confirm, you know, and tell me the truth, really and truly what happened now, that means say you never did rate me, you never did like me, like, yo, you just a style, your style me just to take the money from me. You shouldn't do that. You see? You know, my father teach me better. My father teach me better, you know, no matter how I go through a rough life, you know, my daddy teach me some things, you know. Yeah, me tell you, my father teach me some things, you know, I know better, you know. But I become excited for the very first time. I was so excited. You see me? Remember me telling the ladies, you see, evil, they are road and it will look in your face and a smile with you. Evil. Remember me tell you. You can't share the room for me and you. Eh? You don't love grandma? You love grandma? I'll take time now, yeah? No evil go away and punish. One time I did hear them say people will patch up things and sell you. I know me believe it, rotted one. Only part time me hear it, you know. Say people will patch up things and sell you. After them sell you, you will find out say it never did good for a man. And you see a person will patch up something and they sell it because they want to get rid of it for them. You see me? But people wicked, them something they are wickedness, you see? Big fucking wickedness, bro. Imagine you tell a person say if you patch it up and give me, just patch it up and give me, make me go on with it. You see me? So exactly you know say in a long run, a way you do a fuckery, a be a fuckery you do, bro. But that's okay. Straight to God. Just worry. Father, they teach me better, I never listen. Bro. All along me hear them I say it, you know, but me never did really like go off fight or me I say yo, cause me never really see certain things. You see me, I first time me ever. You understand me? I'm a first one. But to see a man now, we do the work. Alright, me shut my mouth. Me work with him. I will overcome, of course. I will overcome.
Some people, this are the car with Jabbas sell Annie a talk about. You see me I say, yeah, are the car she a talk about. You know what I mean? Say the G sell her a lemon. You see me? All she do, get some sugar and some water and make some lemon. Yo, I saw it go in life, my people. Me I tell you that, I saw it go in life. You see the first time you do something, you might learn a lesson. You see what I say? Because you are going, we as people, we trust other people too much when them come with a smiling face and, you know what I mean, come with some type of, like, things, I show you ropes and all them things there because the way our Jabbas and Annie them link up, you know what I mean? I put on Annie on this whole social media, like fame and, you know what I mean, notoriety and something, but a long time Annie them on social media still, but them never popular like that. So once she start link up with Jabbas and the Lion Man, you know, she start get a buzz. So through she a link with them, you know, she a say, okay, well we can trust them, whatever. So look like say Jabbas, you know what I mean, sell her something where never really 100 and sell her for a nice money. But I saw it go in life, you live and you learn.
Yeah, man, I hold it, man. I hold him. Eh? Yeah, better come, better their head. You see me? Better their head. Better their head, so I now pray that. What me I go do? I spend like the spend when I spend on it and get it up and running. and just move to my other phrase. I'm not gonna make that stop me in a life. I just make it positive. Yes, what I say. What them never see good in it, I come take it good when I have out of it, you see me? And just move on to another phrase. Yeah, that can't stop my light and that can't stop me from shine. I saw it come. You will do the right thing and the next man do the wrong thing, but here what that can't stop you in life. You have to make it positive and make it good. You understand what I say? Better must come one day. The best is yet to come, of course. Better must come one day. Better must come one day. Better must come one day. Hey, me say if you ever come over here with no mix up, I go block you. I don't want anybody name. Better must come one day. Better must come one day. Better must come one day. You know me, you can't live in here though. Hello, you can't make a share a space. So make a share a little space now. Are you a drive? You're a bad driver. I lie. Watch my grand boy. Back foot. You're bad. Go in amigo. Go in amigo now. Jesus Christ. I say you're bad. Don't crash. Don't crash. Wow. You're bad man. Yes, spirit, that is it.
Right.
That's how some people say, Annie, it's okay. Ask.
Look here, you wink here.
Who say me look familiar?
Mom, why you wink here this look?
Yes, it's okay to ask a question.
Mom.
Yeah, you can ask me a question.
Mom. This I wink here.
Oh, yeah, that look nice. That look nice. Drive it. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Yeah, ask a question, baby.
You're not a partner. Me a bad driver.
Chat, we can get some taps, please. Double tap, guys.
Ooh. You can't let me know. You're a bad driver.
I will never render evil for evil either. And so, look here, I will never render evil for evil. I say, if I do you something, I will come and tell you sorry. I will tell you sorry. You understand what I say? And I don't have a people. I don't keep up people in my heart. I don't like do that. Yeah, I don't do them someday. I have a forgiving spirit. That's all. My soul is, I love forgive people. You understand me? There's nothing bad that can happen in a life betwixt me and you. I can't forgive you. You understand? So I don't render evil for evil. I don't depend that with nobody. If you want to be an evil person, that's your business. But I'm not going to do that. You get me? One love, babies. No, but to the world you live, you can't. Too nice. No, seriously. In this world where me and you live in, you can't too nice. Niceness now go nowhere again. May I tell you the truth? Alright. Yeah, do good, but you still have to just know, say, you understand me? You still have to do good, you know. You can't make nobody change you from the type of person who you is. I love, hold on then. Oh my God, you do love that? Thank you. They're wonderful people, don't? Now that me I tell you, man. Any breakfast today? No, straight down to dinner. Straight down to dinner. Yeah, go all heap of good people in our world. You know what them do? Them keep themselves aside because they realize how people stay out there. You understand me? Them have good in their heart, them have love in their heart. Right? But yet still them still have to just keep themselves to themselves and they read anything for breakfast. Alright. I don't know that really. Somebody do you read? Me I read, you know. What's your dad name? Oh, what's your dad name?
Alright, my people. So, make a watch some more. And then tell more what you think in the comment section. We'll watch a couple minutes more of this and then we're going to move on to the next people.
I need to know.
Okay, so my father named Vin. My father named Vin. Hold on, guys. May I talk to somebody? You want to come up in the box? You want to come in the box?
Mom, remember me, I'm going to start to see monkey on. Mom, we're going to start to sing star.
Yeah, we can definitely do that. And she's asking a good question. She said, yes, thanks. So put her up in her box. Yes, sweetheart? Yeah?
Let's start a real car.
Yeah, start a real car?
Yeah.
Alright, start. You can go in the room, go start it, please. Go in the room. I can't hear good. Can make be a nice man. Tete. Oh, so your mother know my father?
Yeah. I'm sorry, sure I run a park like to live. My mom,
I live right in front of Miss James.
she know you. She asked her dad still alive.
Outside, she know the shelter and them.
Sheltons?
Yes, crown a rice dish round.
In front of?
Coakley. Right down a rice, when you come a rice piece road there. You might not know, you probably don't. You probably but our father,
And if you know, like, you know, Falkland bottom different from Falkland top, right?
yeah.
We live at Falkland top, right? Which part? I don't know if you when him again and him pass off.
Oh, your dad alive or car?
Yeah, my father is alive. My dad is alive. Yeah, we live right Miss James. Yeah, close to Mikey, right at Falkland top. I know Joe Moon top does little Joe Moon shop the little bit of top part.
Past the bridge or before the bridge?
No man. That no bridge no did it so. No bridge if a Falkland you're talking, remember say you have Falkland but I mean have Falkland top. We live at Falkland top.
Yeah, but
if you talk about bridge, that means you go back down to Orchard side, there's a box seal.
Two bridge that happen when you come from out of Bumbrook and come up past that bridge. They had a bridge to grow like we are going to waterworks. No waterworks, what do you call it? We are going mango bush. On the other side they should come from. Come from the other side.
Yeah.
okay, Annie, thank you. I'm just
Alright, thank you. And big up to your mom. Have a good morning.
Alright, you too. Thanks, baby.
Alright, you're welcome.
And especially and everybody gone left me in a party. Me pussy clad. When me look at me and the people them were outside alone and take picture. You see when me I go in now? Me don't know where Sicily they gone, but me know say they not go turn up in a nigga. They might either go to one side or sitting. So me say alright then me I go in a party. Me pussy clad, me I go in a party now. When me reach in a kitchen part where food there. Appear people. Remember good now say you have some people where you know say me and them then you know cabana business then we want to pull off some style. So you see people them will grab off of me dog. Me I tell you God I have a true chat. Me I tell you the truth I got love. When you see me I don't know how me tan. Me paranoid now no pussy clad. Remember me when I go in a party now you know. Me don't know the people them. Me don't know people them in person whether on TikTok. I me don't know who is who. I me not go make no like no transmission go grab me and go hold me and then they go video me and put me up today and bring me right down to the ground. Brother, me don't know who is who. Me I go through the party so. What you know what me fi do? And everybody a call me. Me don't want to stop. Me want to go through the party until me second. I only think me I eat that. Remember say I king down at this you know. And me don't want nobody do me nothing now. No one I go through the party. Remember what I do to my friend 41. The things that me I go just approach people so and everybody does so. Whether or not you say people then put in a front for me to TikTok of them, I never know that. I don't know who is who. Remember all kind of people kind of look like a girl and them I don't know girl and me no want bumbuckle at certain people hold on for me. I want to risky now, no think say I saw this thing go. No really say I saw this thing go. Who want to make them video and talk about who gonna like them better? I swear to God, you don't know me talk, me a madman. Me gonna like me better than people. Me down here, you come a foreigner and tell me say foreign. If you think say Jamaica this me the home, me gonna a foreign like me is a down to earth person. You know say oh God, if me know say a you that me ever come to you, me just can't just stop and go to somebody so. I want to know man, no ramp with me. You no play with me. Next thing me gonna feel my side start bleeding and proud, me don't know who and who do me nothing. You no ramp with me, you no make me feel like that. Like it's the truth me just work and say me not like two God like me too. You know? Me no better than nobody. And me will never play that against me people them. But you have to understand and start like when I'm fool. People paranoid and you are this. You come from Jamaica. I wanna feel like man Spragger, big up. I wanna feel like I say me big up. I wanna feel like I say me big up. I wanna feel like I say me I just come to somebody so. I don't feel like I say, me know on the TikTok like this, and me don't know how to look in a real person and a night. And a night. You know so certain people want to set way up. I don't know now myself, so and that you know what I want to happen to for some people set way up in a party. I want to get a big laugh and a big style off of me, but you can't style me in a New York. Because I'm a militant, a Westmoreland no come from.
Hold on there. No, my people. No. A file King Donia get filed for. A file and file for King Donia. How long King Donia that foreigner now? I me it look long too. A long time is supposed to have foreigner, you know? I must file and get filed for. No sir, I live a foreigner now man. His mother not that foreign. Yes. His mother supposed to have foreign. I must file and get filed for one. But the people where G a try to explain a whole heap of them as TikToker did there. So people come to see them. You understand me I say? And him never did a walk in at the party with nobody who know the people them and know who him to tap and talk to. And you know how bring down stay when it come to TikTok. So him with him head on him body and now I think all different type of way. So he make case and pull through the crowd and nobody tap with nobody because there are different types of people who look like different type of people. So you have to know what you do. Let me know what to think.
No boy man, no boy. Let me tell you that I foreign this here. I don't can run on a local prank them on a local. But you can't run it for me in no party. Party is serious. Party is not like regular meet and greet business. Party is serious. And if you don't feel like you can just drag me one side so I say and then I go in a party man. Nobody no stop when them are going to party like that. Notice when outside, me stop outside and I take picture with much somebody. When the party done, me take picture with much somebody. Can't believe we feel like that, yo. Oh, I'm telling you, man. I have to laugh this morning and go back to sleep. Anyway, me done with that, you know.
Fi tell Rosalie say fi leave him alone and I don't wrong AKEEM. AKEEM say the other day when him and Rosalie got the Airbnb, Rosalie did want the two of them to sleep over the Airbnb. And to him deny the request to sleep over at the Airbnb, Rosalie said to him say, that means say you're about him and then for true because you don't want to sleep with me. Girl, you're not aesthetically appealing. You're big and fat. AKEEM never want you. For all of the women them on the For You page where they da force the little innocent youth from big ogre Rosalie. How no feel? You see say man no want to know? You see say man 8 and 9 and 10 no delusional. That's why man are using and abusing so. That's why man no respect on the word. Because guess what? You don't want to settle down and don't want to love some man. Well, out on a tax bracket. Not saying AKEEM is out of Rosalie's tax bracket, but at the end of the day, AKEEM is aesthetically handsome, you know, and attractive. Like Call a spade, and we all know, see, a man with AKEEM's caliber will never ever look at a female like Rosalie. It's just the truth. And if y'all don't understand that, and at the same time, this is why me I go say, that's why man I go use on her and abuse on her. Because guess what? On no want put on her hand, on no hat, on no hand can't reach it. Rosalie is a big great one woman with 2 pitney. AKEEM don't even have no kid yet. What the man I do with Rosalie will behave like a real muckers, a real hog in a mud. Wanna see how wanna set up this girl to embarrass herself on the internet? And when people come out here like, hey guys, it's Keem King, my news is real. You know, sir, AKEEM don't want Rosalie. Wanna tell Keem King for shut up and stop hate for Rosalie. But it's just the truth. I'm not a bitter person. I'm just very blunt and unapologetic. I'm outspoken, and one thing about me, I'm a call a spade a spade. I'm gonna identify the ghost in the room like always, and this is why I have $100,000 because me can come up here and speak unapologetic facts. The only man we are gonna sick with Rosalie are Jakes, cause Jakes don't live nowhere and Jakes don't have nowhere else to go. Him even give Rosalie 2 kids, so it a go hard for mash up because Rosalie a mind Jakes left, right, and center, plus provide a home for himself, for him. I must fear to blood clot due to how Jakes a play as a woman role. Jakes a wash, cook, and clean. I must him a take the. I want if AKEEM say, when Rose said to him, say, that means say, yeah, Batman then for sure. Him come on the internet the other day and hear TikTok lawyer say, Rosalie say, AKEEM a Batman, and that put the icing on the cake. AKEEM, continue live your humble and innocent life. Don't set up yourself, make people judge you, because at the end of the day, Rosalie is very malicious and problematic, and she always a fuck around people on the internet. So you see, if you put yourself with Rosalie, people are gonna always come for you and tap your confidence and wonder in them introspection if you're gay. Bro, walk away from that. You don't need Rosalie clout. You already have fame, you already have your name, you already have your dollars, you buy your BMW, and that are gonna mad the girls them, especially Rosalie, cause she up on the internet 3 years now, and every day she in at the ranking and I make crazy money. Clock that tea. And I know we don't see Rosalie do a big one. Like, girl, you should have show some signs by now. Me not care if you are safe to buy house, but you should have show your signs them from now. Y'all females on the internet are some enablers. You see two man 8 on 9 and 10 on no want Rosalie for fuck pan Jakes. On not try if you say, alright Rosalie, walk away from Jakes, go and go ill and live for your 2 kids them. But you know want Rosalie for live in our house with our man and a fuck pan a man pan the side. No fan could never dare do that to no man, cause no man would have be head long time. But on the internet, some careless enabler and go and go fix up on yourself aesthetically. Go and go lose the weight, go and go fix on your back, make money, go and go start out on yourself and feel like say man obligated for love for or it's mandatory to say once you love a boy gonna love you. Like, bitch, if you're not my type, you're just not my type, and I care zero what anybody wants to say. Listen, AKEEM walk away from Rosalie. Crosses. Rosalie tormented like a duppy girl. Crosses! Walk away, young boy. Me not here tenor. I don't have nothing against you, cause I don't know you. I don't know nothing about you. But at the end of the day, I see you come on the internet with content with Rosalie. But Rosalie, I gonna make the internet barrier. Walk away. Take my foolish, constructive advice. Walk the fuck away, young youth. AKEEM say, if you tell Rosalie say, if you leave him alone, and I don't rap.
So you go your babes up Rosalie now. It make Rosalie come apologize now, yeah. Cause your babes are up.
I say no owner people them, bro. Owner people them, I'm sit down, I'm watch every screen record. I watch every live.
AKEEM run. Me I tell you to run, don't look back.
Yes, what I said. I watch.
Don't get a bad girl, cause she's not a bad girl and then I don't know why she thinks she's that girl. Yeah. Guys, talk truth. Rosalie got class AKEEM mother. Rosalie, I got class AKEEM mother. Wicked. She bring the youth entire family in it. This is the opportunity for go AKEEM. People love you. Them now go stop support you cause them naturally not like she, no. Them naturally not like she. And you make people like Rose. If people them still ignorant fear cause she not have no behavior. You walk a spit pan people. No, AKEEM make people them like Rose. Nobody not like Rose. Nobody not like Rose. And if you dish AKEEM, the way we go class and bring it down because you're too ungrateful. You're too disrespectful. Not everybody you walk and disrespect like that. Yeah, this a friend, Jayden, yeah, this all your bestie. Multiple times you see you're low-key this all. Right now, AKEEM are the only person in your corner me see where you're not supposed to lose. Hold out your feelings and keep AKEEM as a friend. Him check for you. Him check for you. Lord, I declare. And no matter how we tell AKEEM to leave you alone, him still not leave you alone because the boy see the good in you from female eyes.
Hey, let me tell you something, man. You see, as a man, you see, if you don't want a woman, do not lead her on. Don't be too nice to her. You see what I say? Because you just have to build up things in the woman and she are going to take it on a level where you not ready for her, you don't want to take it. You understand? So the nice time and you know what I mean, them little gesture the way AKEEM I do for Rosalie, it only a build up a thing in her. You understand what I say? Although she have her man, she no business. She take on to the nice treatment and all them something there. So him denying her to sleep over, that are the thing where make she say, boy, you know what I mean? A priest said, this a boy a treat me nice, but him no want me because she maybe want to fling the crutches on him, but him no really want to do that because him know where that I go come with. Some people want to tell me other thing because remember, you know, remember Jay? Remember Jay? And the same thing did go on with Jay, you know. Him and Rosalie did used to play a date and then hell broke loose. Let me know what I think.
Him see the good in you from female eyes. You know, him now listen to nobody feel if you alone. He must see screen recording them, you know. And I think he not read comment. But him have a mind and him own. He must try show you say. Nobody can tell him what to do or how to treat you or how to deal with you. Look how much people I wish for AKEEM just left you alone. All me I tell him for run a little. And he not run. You have to show so the youth rate you. And you keep on and disrespect the youth under some style. You can't do that. You pass the place when you say, as someone knows, so you're not straight. Me, AKEEM, you could talk back to me. Because if you can't say that to me, what else is next there to say? But just glad you didn't say it for life. And people them all classy, Rosalie. Cut out them style them. Cut out those style. And you need to start to treat the supporters them better. The people them that are paying your bills. The people them that are buying food for your household. The people them that are helping you send your lovely kids to school. See your kids them a top one in a class. Them are do so good. Them claim to say the mama don't, but the pitney them bright. Your children doing so good. You can't disrespect the people them that are providing for you and them. Your fans them can't call to you and you can't spit on them. You're crazy. Me never disrespect. Me rather dodge my fan them and hide. Like how you see me on the video I run because I tell to take picture. I can't say no, I just took off and run. You can't diss the people them so. And you can't apologize and I do back the same thing again. My apology them rare, you know. For me, apologize to somebody rare. Me have to have a deep respect for you. Or no one lose him. Me apologize to you. I mean, really see Rosalie apologize to people neither. So the fact that she apologize to AKEEM, that means she really like him for true, as we say, and you rate him. So if you really like him and rate him, Rose, treat the nigga better than that. These are things you need to work on. Stop disrespect the youth. And you also need to stop disrespecting people over the youth. Everybody have their own opinion. If a girl say A, nobody jump down the girl throat and a desire for AKEEM. When people actually not saying anything bad, you have to learn to have understanding. You can't just hear the words but not understand what come from the words. You understand? You're not bigger than the law. The knife in the right hand. This is my right hand. Hello, you must be mad me. For she got skin out her body, give me. Me? For Rosalie got skin out her body, give me. Her head with a chip. Rosalie thinks certain joke when me run with a Yankee, you can't run them with Jamaican man. You have to understand so you're dealing with a Jamaican man. Poor thing, my papa sick. You have to understand so you're dealing with a Jamaican man. You deal with a Jamaican man. When me can tell the Yankee them say them a fish and them a this and them a that. And them not really take it no way, because them a Yankee. You can't run them the joke there with certain Jamaican man and things so them still gonna laugh up in your face. Especially joke like that, where you know say people are run with and that them want to hear from you. You should have been the last person to say that to AKEEM. Take time with the sun, my son's sleeping. No problem?
Say, yo, bro, you didn't even know what you do for me. Me always show me appreciation. Even your friend them see that. You see it?
Alright, my people, I could hear what them people have to say about what AKEEM said about Rosalie and the falling out.
Even your friend them see that. So when you say over Baka's corner, I'm going to tell you about this in a baby, I say, babe, stop. Because even more than them people come to me about it, say, yo, remember, say, yo, alright, I'm going to show you something. You know, say, she continuously disrespecting me. If we get a future girl, you know, they're going to feel like, say, it's alright for this me, you know. And that me I tell you, you know, if we get a future female, she's going to feel like, say, it's okay to disrespect me. You know, alright? things and we just say yes and easy and think. No, disrespect your baby girl, man. No, you feel do them thing. No, you have people that said this and I said that and I said this. We never say nothing about no serious Elena. We never say nothing as she said. This is done and we never say nothing. And the reason why we not answer call because we just want to clear. We don't want to answer call and be disrespectful. We don't say so. We don't say so, baby. I tell you so, we don't say so. And me say to you, they on the phone with that one. What about me show you something? She did on live. We never did on live. The night before the live. The night when the live end. But when me I get from it, she didn't want me and her stay over.
Oh, it start over chat. Wait.
So she feel like disrespecting people. I gotta make she feel good about herself. You know, there can be another young people that exist. You know what me feel? Yes. You have people like them there. You have some people like them there.
Anyway, Chad, continue.
Yeah, man. That's all like my farmer boss. Yeah, you speak down on people and disrespect people make you feel good about yourself because you not grow with no love, you not grow with no you grow with bad feel, negative thing about yourself. So you are disrespect. It's almost like you deflect something, in my opinion. She does have low self-esteem and she does want everybody feel bad. That not gonna solve the issue. You need to figure yourself out, girl.
Never run some people later, they come from let's say the gully, they come from the gully. And no matter how they step up in their life, they look good, they still have the behavior same way. The gully behavior. Yeah. That's Rosalie.
Yeah.
She used to the bad treatment from GX. So she was looking it from AKEEM, but AKEEM never gave her it.
Choco, it's not that. You have to realize, when you've been bullied all your life, right? Like we in high school, right? You know how we in high school, right? And you have that one person. Rose has been bullied all her life, And now that a guy who she probably thinks, listen, wouldn't even look her way, right? Is giving her the attention. She's very big-headed. So she feels that the things that she can do to Jakes, she could do to AKEEM, but you cannot do that to every man. Every man is not going to take that, bro.
I want to continue now.
Oh, sorry, Sky. Go ahead.
Okay. With the mute so them can't hear it.
This me in a youth. You say the clean farmer cover that this me in a space and me a listening, man. The clean farmer cover that this me in a youth. You say the clean farmer cover that this me in a space and me a listening, man. And me say some holy and me need to send out to her and feel away in a dog. Cause me nah do that, bro. Me not, bro. Me go show one.
with this one. Play one next one. The one they in chat. Me play one next live.
Together, you alone, baby. We do this together.
The people them a say Rosalie want deal with Akeem like how he deal with Jakes. You see me I say, and everybody different, my people. You understand? A person we nice, you know. But if you get them on them wrong side, you see a different, you see me, different person completely from the one who you know. You understand? And some people, like in a relationship, certain things, them want make you know, say, yo, me no want do them type of things you like. You have some people when they come to them relationship, them very private and any little disagreement and argument or anything, them want to keep it in-house. You see me I say them want to take it off of the ear. Like the serious thing where Rosalie and this youth here do. Certain things, him not going to come out with it. You know what I mean? Him a go want to keep it in-house and sort out what them need to sort out on the phone. But Rosalie don't want to do that. She want to come out and share everything with the people. You understand? More entertainment that, and you know what I mean? I feel her style that. So, it look like say this youth should have listened to Ivany and the rest of people them body that tell him say, yo, leave Rosalie alone, you're going to regret it, you're going to sorry. And it look like say him sorry, I know. You regret meeting her in her way still. You know what I mean? For the most part, she do good for him still, I'm not gonna lie you. You see it?
You see it? Because if I know for me, it don't go nowhere. If I know for you, it don't go nowhere. We do this together.
You play this already.
You see it? I want you to remember that. I'm thank God for the strength for you.
Yes, guy, you play that already.
Understand, so we do this together, baby girl. I know you alone. I never make you spend it. When I say me use, I never make you spend it, people. I'm gonna show you. Yo. The girl, may I tell you, it be kind of fuck. I say me girl kind of fuck.
Oh my God, weird chat, weird.
They lied on me. Here, one time in there, see you. He said, go with Jakes and have a drink. Show him it's just entertainment. Akeem is very respectful. This is the time to prove to Jakes. That is what I said to her when he go and see you the night. He said, go with Jakes and have a drink. Because you tell me say entertainment. Show him it's just entertainment. Akeem is very respectful. This is the time to prove to Jakes. See the date there? Make sure you show the date, okay? See when she may say you're good, show the date. Let's say that to them, you say it's okay, you're too fucking idiot. Show the date, let's idiot them. Block out our number, that's like the last 4 number.
The part didn't show the date, but you can't clearly see the day before because the next message was August 7.
August 7, yes. Listen, nobody never.
Growing up, I want to play a kiddies game. When I play a kiddies game, I put and play a game. We are the woman to woman, and we're acting as adult here, right? I want to apologize for lashing out like that. I want to apologize. Reason being, I want to apologize.
I want to apologize. My blood. Don't kill me. No, sir. Apologize. So Rose come from down at the south. Sky. Down south Rose come from. Sky, play it back, Sky. We don't want ball, you know. We don't want ball.
And I'm a grown up. I want to play a kiddies game. When I play a kiddies game, I put and play a game. We are the woman to woman, and we're acting as adult here.
Guys,
I want to apologize. I was balling up. Guys, when she done my talk, I was balling up. Listen, sir, I'm not interject Rose. But it's not cute or girly to behave in certain manner.
Are you still on upper ball? Are you can't even read Barbz report because you don't know what penmanship is? Rosalie, if I go to school, if I even go learn how to clean bathroom and window. No, then me not understand this. You see a barber, and the boy have my Rosalie, you're hungry. You're hungry, make sure by the time the world for done, you buy one next world. And you alone big and light 24/7. Tell me the truth now. If me did ever never play the voice notes. You them little bit and lie.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Device paired.
You the bag a lie. You the bag a lie, you know.
I never do nothing for that female look body. Yeah, just even when Uno beat her, bro, I always come and show you the good side about her. You see what I say? Always.
But one, play this so we can talk about it. All of the people.
Early to the core and up to the day, if this are bro, I beg God take on a blessing.
We're gonna dissect.
I never do nothing for that female look body. Yeah, just even when Uno beat her, bro, I always.
Other part of where stop. Him wrong, yeah, so we never beat Rosalie, we did beat him. And him them did a call back him and I never Rosalie at him. So we never beat Rosalie. Cause Rosalie never did pay nobody no mind. You get what me I say? So him we did a beat, so not him to say the party at Rosalie, come.
Just come and show you the good side about her. You see what I say?
What good side in show about Rosalie? What good side? Tell me one good side when show we about Rosalie. Because if the boy did care about Rosalie, he would have care about her picking them first. To ensure she should spend more time with them since she have fallen for him. We can't better go down into the lives. Come.
Yes. You see it? Make me go to lawyer story now.
And the prank this morning coming on.
Yes, me believe. Hell yes, me believe.
Why would they believe such a tell liar when back in the day, Rosalie know every Batman? Which female on the app know more Batman than Rosalie? None. So what liar says she say you have to believe. And you know the reason why, if you even believe, you know the reason why you believe, because you did expect it. Come on, moving right along.
You're not a friend. Firstly. Secondly, bro, I'm going to tell you why I believe.
You know Rosalie and liar friend, that's why you don't carry Rosalie guy. Your yard, the book here, Airbnb, river and restaurant. Come now.
The same argument where lawyer come with. Yes, when we go up on the date night, and bro, this is no pun intended, bro. I'm not say this to fling nobody under the bus.
Pun intended, wrong.
The night when we go up on the date, not the date, when we go cook, we got the Airbnb, we get everything. She was kind of frustrated. My wrong, guys, she was kind of frustrated based off the time when we tell her. But people, Me have to do so much and no more, bro. No have to just understand. Me is a busy man, you know. Me have a business around, you know. Yes, what me I say?
Him busy. Him busy, I'm a try convince we say him busy. Me just want to ask, is he busy? Or is trying?
Let me tell you something, man. You see, people like, you see, there isn't enough hours in a day. May I tell you that, my people? And anybody where I do something constructive, them know say there is not enough hours in a day, because by a turn around so a night. You see me I say? So even if I TikTok this youth here do, you know what I mean? And him have things to do with Rosalie and something. And them youth here have them money, them rich. You see me I say? Let me just say that because them prove say them have them money. Them prove say them rich. You see me? So you know feel like say there is something where I generate the money so that him can live the type of lifestyle where him a live. Eh? There is something where I generate the money. So him have something a go on where need him time. So SHEBADA don't play him thing. You know what I mean? It's obvious that this youth I do something. Whether legal or illegal, him a do something. So him a run some type of business or some type of service. Right? So let me know what you think, my people. Make me watch some more.
Trying to convince us that he's busy. Because there's no way you can be busy and be so free. There's no way you can be so busy and not watch the app. There's no way you can be so busy and not advertising a business. Come on, sir, make it make sense. All I want to feel important. Are you even educated to be business wise? What business no found have? We do not have on a business individual. What business do not have? Me just want to know what kind of business gonna have a work for them, because everybody call a hustle a business. And I really cannot call a hustle a business. Eh? If I even can rental my baby, them still don't know them paperwork. I mean not ask, I tell me, I tell. Me not ask you. I tell me, I tell you. You're too busy for Jamaica can book you. You're too busy for Jamaica can book him. That is the next thing. Wanna stop it?
So me have to deal with that, run up and down with that, have that I try deal with. In the day, remember me get the Airbnb. Why me even so late, me have to run?
You see, this is the question, you know. A lot of persons call themselves superstars, right? And when push comes to shove, you hear say them do every single thing in the world. You're not an entrepreneur. If you have a business and you have other things that does not concern your business, that cannot help your business, you're not become busy. And this is from a business standpoint. You understand me? If you're going to pose as a celebrity / superstar, everything you're supposed to sit down and get this shit done. So we're moving right here. We just dissect the thing, you know.
Up and down and look for a pressure cooker. Because the Airbnb never have no pressure cooker, me didn't.
Is this the argument that make no sense? You run up and down and look at pressure cooker, but you're still an entrepreneur. I mean, know people who don't have no farm of business, nor sense, nor IQ, have more than one pressure cooker. That say, hey, bring a pressure cooker for me, so come give me now. Eh? We're moving right there, man.
You get a pressure cooker, people. Yes, what me I say? Somebody kind of late and me explain to her that on the phone. So when she come in at the car, she did kind of frustrated. Yes, what me I say? I not say nothing. As me say, bro, I don't talk to people when they're mad. Yes, when I reach up at the Airbnb people, I'm dead and she in the room, she dip on her phone right through, she dip on her phone.
Another argument and make no sense enough again to one something.
She dip on her phone right through. From she come in at the car, she dip on her phone and she not come out for her phone.
But is it your story time?
So when I come in the room before the live start, I say, baby girl, because I say nothing to her, and I just there watch her do her thing. I said to her, say, baby girl, me want to start the live. And she said to me, say, so why you never chat to me? I said, babes, you're on the phone and I can't talk to you while you're on the phone. You see what I say? So end the call, make me talk to you. You see, because she did frustrated. And she said, alright then. I don't know who she must say that talk to one of her friends. Frustrated. I said, alright, the phone call her. And she hung up the phone. And I said, get up and come here. I'm a hug her. Before the live started, I'm a hug her up and I said to her, I said, baby girl, stop worrying on man, I tell you something God.
All of the party don't make no sense, it's not necessary. She did on the phone, she did upset, she did on the phone, you can't talk to her, she did on the phone, she come, you call her, she hang up, you hug her up and you say, baby girl, I got you. Stop worrying, you say, I can't understand, this don't make no sense. All of this to say this, you know, come listen.
I always tell you something like this. You see, I'm a rub her back, I'm a squeeze her, and I say to her, stop worrying.
See another liar, you rub her back. Which one of them? Specify.
We do this together because we in this together. You see it? I'm say alright. I say yeah. I say to her, so I can't talk to you when you're on the phone. While me I hug her up and I embrace her in a chat. You see it? And she say alright, babe.
You see him still? Him want the argument look seems so like at him I make the move and she act jealous, which she a perform to be jealous. You see it? And I ignore it and I deny it. True or false? Alright, continue. Come AKEEM.
So she starts
smiling. Have a good time.
Yes, what me I said? So she starts smiling again. Anyhow, people, we did it. We run the local cooking. The night went extremely well. Let me tell you, I mean never. This is our intention.
It's who in the house a beat out the grinder. Why them a beat out the grinder so?
Oh no, quote me on this and get me wrong. Me no know what expectation the night before the live. The night when the live end.
Alright.
But when me I get from it,
listen to the grinder.
Alright, my people. Let me know what you think. In the comment section, we'll watch some more.
Cooking, the night went extremely well. Let me tell you, I mean never, and me now said that this is a...
You hear the grinder beat in the background. Alright, listen to him, listen to what Waymax say now. Start, continue.
Intention, people. Oh no, quote me on this and get me wrong. Me no know what expectation the night before the live. The night when the live end. But when me I get from it, she didn't want me and her stay over. And I said to her, so me now stay over, baby, come make we go home. Yes, what me I say? And we go home. Even when me I left out that car, she tell me later. But she did vex. You see, she was vexed. I know that she did vex. When I reach in, I'm going to go to the text now. I just want to listen to me.
A little bit of weed, figure it out and make it now.
When I reach in, I said to her, say, figure it out! You see, I'm going to see she text me back, so I call her, and I said to her, say, she said, I said to her, say, I said, B, you know, say, I'm day home. I said to her, say, you know, say, I'm day home. Thank you for tonight, and she smiled, and she said, alright then, no problem. You see it? The night, as me hang up the phone, she said to me the night, say, you can't trick me nor con me. You prove to me tonight, say, you don't straight. Cause you're not in on me. So I run her with faith. People should bring the same little ways out.
And I like my boss a piece of sweat under Louise Bennett. Lord, AKEEM, you make me tired. AKEEM, you know, say make me tired. People will not believe me, say me tired. That's why me can't listen to every. That's why me can't listen to every. That's why me can't listen to everybody argument. AKEEM, you say all of that, you know, for just say the reason why you believe TikTok liar, because after the stupid night that you say, babes, when reach home, you're going to smile, and then you say, yeah, and then just send me back a text and say, you can't trick me. You could have reached this a long time. You see, you know, long you talk like Andrew third term. Mighty God of Daniel. I get so weak in my knees I could hardly speak. I lose up control and then something takes over me. By my side as I swallow my pride, I could come and see. No, for sure. And then I wanna have business. Wanna know for condense a story. And now I'm a little bit weary. A little bit weary. Oh God, this feel like me and Annie them a push the car go up the hill. No go come. No go come, so we reach a piece of the hill and the foot of the hill, the vehicle and roll back. It's like a moonwalk and by Michael Jackson still had the vehicle here. Cause the car over push it up, it'll come right back. And the vehicle ate Annie them. I don't like this Annie. Yeah. So come in and figure it out, you boy AKEEM. Come here now. No, in a movie, Devon. Come here now. You are going to say Rosalie ask you the same thing now, AKEEM. You say based on what you're saying and how you conjure up the argument, I'm going to tell you the truth to my belief and how I analyze your statement, you know. I've never tried to psychoanalyze you before. However, I'm going to tell you what your statement proves to me. You see? Daima ask, figure it out if I'm a batty man. Me nah ask you no. Daima ask, figure it out if he's a batty man. Rosalie, you first brought the argument to AKEEM. He felt uncomfortable about it, but moving right along. Now I'm going to tell you every single thing. You see the runway, I don't think AKEEM run your way. You see the TikTok police saga, I think AKEEM believes that you say to TikTok police, TikTok liar, sorry. I think he believes that you tell TikTok liar. But you see you now, you make mention to him already before all of the alabaloo. I'm not asking. Nothing we're not saying, we're not upset over now. You know, when I talk about it, I show TikTok liar brought it up and said Rosalie said. That is the only reason why. Nothing more. So AKEEM, I'm gonna tell you the truth. You save me a man. And I know say me not depend on Batty thing and Batty can't call for me because it call already and it's not a good feeling. Me now go telling a lie. The thing why people always have it so now Batty man wanna too brave and enough and love spotlight. And that's the only reason. Yeah? You think you feel away? Wanna just prove to me so now dog shit.
Cat double. So we can get 4 more posts. Blood clot. So we don't have no posts. Blood clot.
We have to wheel. One wheel catch her up.
So tonight is a double. Yeah, Miss AKEEM. Go play with the pussy tongue. I'm gonna do it later.
Chat to the elbow.
And she born in a foreign to blood clot.
She don't use it. Triple chat. What?
She will soon come. I'd rather get them too wicked. You not talk no more, not too wicked.
Alright, my people, let me know what you think in the comment section. You know what I mean? I believe Rosalie addressed. No, I don't think you should really talk about AKEEM in that one, you know. And so, I don't even remember quite young man. So, you could just watch some more and hear what she has say. She and Miss Triple. I think them talk about Bad Sicky and him election thing where I'm going with.
Kid, we not talk nothing more.
Yeah, Me can't go in bad this advice. I want to Adar.
No man, me not appreciate them for Adar, I don't know why.
She run for minister, fine. Minister entertainment.
What did I tell her to come?
She run for minister entertainment. So she a campaign. Well, her campaign.
For what?
Minister entertainment.
No, tell her to come, chat. What rebel I run for?
Minister entertainment.
A true chat?
Them have fake parliament at one. Over Batsiki. One piece of carelessness. My Batsiki party name chat. JRP.
I mean, so come, I forgot the goal I left some girl with the brands, focus shot. I don't say a shooter, it's nice. Let's move over there, I look it first.
One money gun chat. You only thank you.
Chat, double. Blood clot. That's why sometimes man have a fuck power where I left you know. Or if I tell you say out of 4,000 girl and boy, those guys slump up, just kill them with story and I get them. I stop chat.
I'm sure.
Put your ex beside the gate. Is gate that?
The gate over Siki back in party name JFP.
You know what that?
Parliament. The TikTok.
Parliament? A man no want to fuck me in my hole. About Parliament. Focus is where you chat.
What's this chat? What's this with him?
Every minute they change the name. Farmer Dari by me come suck me. I can't do anything at any time. My mama no want me nor you. Can't do anything. I Rosalie my name. Can't be AKEEM wife when I feel like. He accept me anyway. The stinking blood clot. Man want me or you? No, what that man want me or you? I don't know my entertainment, you know. So see you all when them say man not do you. Don't be a chat.